Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to enable RTX in Minecraft. I'm using Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, open your browser and search for vanilla RTX for Minecraft Bedrock. Go to this site and download it. You can download any of these versions. It doesn't really matter which one. Just scroll down and download one. Here it is. Now click this blue button. The download will start. I recommend getting this automated bash script file. Open it before launching. Click here twice to start Minecraft RTX immediately. Alright, it's loading now. Go to Settings, Global Resources, and activate Vanilla RTX. Next, Video Settings. Ray tracing should be enabled now. As you can see, it's running. You can start and adjust it right away. Now click Play. Choose any world you want. Click Resource Packs and select Vanilla RTX. Okay, you can add more packs if needed. Then click Play. Now we're in a Minecraft RTX world. That's all there is to it. This has been Valars. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later, everyone.